Do you believe SB 1818 projects should be categorically exempt from secret review? And if not, would you be willing to support a settlement in the current lawsuit against the city on this issue? 60 seconds, starting with Michael.
Well, no, I don't believe they should be exempt from rules, and I think that we should work to resolve any lawsuit with the city and its citizens as quickly and expeditiously as possible. I think it's, again, like I said earlier, I think it's a shame, and that the city leaders should be ashamed that we've come to the point where, in order to get laws enforced, we need to have citizens like yourselves organize and file lawsuits against the city.
Noel.
I represent the plaintiff in the pending SB 1818 lawsuit to which the question refers. The city was called in. One of my strategies was to have a settlement conference before the judge. We did in September of last year. The city was asked by the judge. The judge, in fact, kept him in chambers for about an hour and a half. Okay, it was really neat, and we were able to make our case as well as get the judge kind of get a sense of where we're going. City attorney did nothing. City attorney, I mean, there's not a lot the city attorney can do unless the city council basically comes in. But again, it's all under closed session. Now, if I was city attorney in that situation, what I would do is I would not have it closed session. I would have it open. And I would have my letter, and I would have the facts as to one way or the other. If the city feels it's got a shot, lay it out. We can lay our side out. The city council then will have to vote. Instead, they had the cover of the attorney-client privilege, and it was just easy to say no. So bottom line is, this is another example of a practical, progressive, positive principle that the city council has to move forward. The only way they're going to do it is if you people light a fire under their rear ends, and the city attorney provides the fuel for that fire by giving the people the information that they need. No question, the city needs to settle, and read the lawsuit if you want more information.
You can be assured, one, being an environmental attorney and making my living doing this, that I will be a strict constructionist under CEQA. If it affects density, traffic, air, schools, allocation of resources, it will be studied and vetted, and my lawyers will know that that's my policy and that's what will happen. 1818 states, quote, and I'm going to quote, "Nothing in this subdivision shall be interpreted to require a local government to grant an incentive or a concession that has a specific adverse impact upon health, safety, or physical environment. It allows for CEQA review." Bottom line, that's the law. Let's level the playing field. Again, let's take the for sale sign down, and let's let the citizens have their speech, and give the developers their fair time. And let the truth come out. No more secret deals, no more background deals, no more mulligans. Let's go forward.
And finally, David.
Thank you. As you can guess, I don't like secret deals. I don't like exemptions. I am for openness in government, okay, and exemptions that are carried out by elected officials who are beholden to special interests stink to high heaven, and it's time you had a voice in the city council that's going to stand up for you and say, this is not what's going to happen on my watch. Like I said before, you need a lion at the gate, and I'm your lion. I'm not a lapdog, and you can be sure of one thing. If something sounds wrong, it probably is wrong, and I will root it out and make sure you get the representation you require. We really have to be clear about who the city attorney represents. I've heard differing views on that, and really, the city attorney is elected by you. He takes an oath of office to uphold the laws of the state of California, not to be the rubber stamp for the city council. And that's who you need in the office, and you can be assured. If I don't have the personal expertise in any area, I'll tell you, and I'll get someone in there who does. We can do this thing together.